I did get a lot of comments about the fallout. There was a lot of fallout in this palette. Hi gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another tutorial with the Fenty Beauty Moroccan Eyeshadow Palette. I wanted to do something different, something a little bit more bold because my last look was pretty neutral. So we're going to pop this bad boy up and we're going to have some fun. Let's have some fun. Alright, so I'm just going to jump right into the tutorial. I'm going to start off with this color right here. It is called Saffron, I think. And I'm just going to just swirl my brush in here. I did get a lot of comments about the fallout. There was a lot of fallout in this palette. Like, you can see this palette. And it's kind of funny because the powder goes into all 4 other quadrants, which is kind of annoying, I guess. Anyways, I'm just going to put this in here and buff. Well, I'm going to press this in first. Like that. Ow. And then I'm going to buff it out. Although there's a lot of fallout in the palette, there's not a lot of fallout on my actual face, so I do appreciate that. This is this first color. I'm going to add some more. So we are all blended out with this first color. This color is so beautiful. I love it just on its own, to be honest. So now I'm going to take some primer. I'm just creating like a half cut crease, a 3/4 cut crease. So I'm going to go back into the palette, and first I'm going to take some of this pinky shade right here. Alright, so next I'm going to take some of this blue shade right here. Kind of create a gradient effect almost. Do the same thing on the other eye. Alright, and then lastly, I'm going to take some of this color right here. Go back in with this color here. I'm going to just blend that into this blue shade right here. For my bottom lash line, I'm going to be using the same shades. I'm going to just use some of the red shade. I'm going to add some eyeliner in black. Alright, so I just buffed that out, and then I'm going to take this small brush and I'm going to work on my inner corner. I'm going to just take the same pink shade and I'm going to just work that into my inner corner. It's so beautiful. I kind of blend this more to make it look better. Alright, so I'm going to apply some mascara. So I'm going to apply some lashes. I'm going to use some dramatic lashes because this eye look is pretty dramatic. I'm going to be using the iiKon eyelashes in the style Bella. So I'm going to put these on. I do have a code for iiKon. I will link it down below so you can get 30% off your purchases. I'm so excited because I love their lashes. I'm just applying some glue. I'm gonna let that dry. While that dries, I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my face. Today I'm gonna use the AIna in Artist Couture LeBron's highlighter. Just what I feel like using today. I have a slight rose tint and my eye makeup is kind of rosy. Well, it's really rosy. So I'm gonna use that highlighter. This highlighter gets me every time. Like, it's just so stunning. And I love that I can't overdo it. Like, I can overdo it, but I at the same time I can't because it's just so perfect for my skin tone that even when I overdo it, it still looks bomb. Let's just... For my lip color, I'm first going to line with MAC's Cork lip liner. Then I'm going to use Quickie from Colourpop. I think this is from Makeupshayla's collection. Alright you guys, so this is the entire look. I love the way it turned out. If you do pick this palette up, definitely try this look out because I feel like it's super fun and, you know, girly and summery and bold. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in my next one.